हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जेके शॉर्ट एंड प्लेनेट। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं शॉर्ट एंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 25 फ्रॉम द मैगजीन स्पीडोग्राफी बाय डॉक्टर जी.डी बिस्ट वॉल्यूम 1। सो चलिए फ्रेंड्स शुरू करते हैं। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 25, लेट मी नाउ कम टू द डिसीजंस। इसको बनाएंगे फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी लेट मी नाउ कम टू द डिसीजंस। ये डिसीजंस है फ्रेंड्स, इसको हम लिखेंगे इस तरीके से, डिसीजंस ऑफ द वेज बोर्ड, ऑफ द वेज बोर्ड इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं हम, और इसको वेज बोर्ड अलग अलग भी लिख सकते हैं, फुल स्टॉप। नेक्स्ट, मच हैज बीन सेड, मच हैज बीन सेड अबाउट द वेज बोर्ड डिसीजन, अबाउट द वेज बोर्ड डिसीजन, एज इफ अ क्राइम हैड, एज इफ अ क्राइम हैड बिन है, हैड बिन को इकट्ठा लिख लेंगे इस तरीके से हम, हैड बिन अच्छे से बनाते हैं इस तरीके से, हैड बिन इकट्ठा लिख लेंगे। सेड अबाउट द वेज बोर्ड, had been done by the wage board, had been done by the wage board, full stop. There was a howl, there was a howl from the employers and from the employers and from among the other and from among the others नहीं other quarters, other quarters को हम फ्रेंड्स इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, as if justice had been brought down to dust, had been brought down to dust, full stop. What was the decision of the Supreme Court? What was the decision of the Supreme Court? Supreme Court को हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, and what were the decisions of the wage board? And what were the decisions of the wage board? Question mark. I would like to point out that I would like to point out that I would like to point out हम पूरा लिख लेंगे, और I would like out इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, I would like to point out इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं। इसके बाद that मैंने ऊपर ही लिख लिया फ्रेंड्स, that except in 6 cases, except in 6 cases, in all other matters, in all other matters, comma, the decisions of the wage board, comma, the decisions of the wage board were good, and the wage board were good, and the wage board had an equal number of employers, had an equal number of employers, and the working journalists and the working journalists इस तरीके से, जर्नलिस्ट एनएल की हुक को थोड़ा लंबा बनाएंगे इस तरीके से, जर्नल इस तरीके से फ्रेंड, जर्नलिस्ट फुल स्टॉप। फिर दैट इज टू से द इसके साथ ही बना लेंगे द एम्प्लॉयर्स एग्रीड इस तरीके से, टू ऑल अदर मैटर्स on which decisions had been taken, full stop, paragraph change. With regard to these matters, with regard को हम इस तरीके से भी बना सकते हैं, with regard to these matters इकट्ठा लिखेंगे, comma, they might have certain ground for criticism, full stop. Now the decisions had been taken, comma, the decisions had been taken through mutual talks, comma, the decisions talks, comma, the decisions है ऐसा आएगा, decisions were taken with a view, were taken with a view to settling the dispute amicably across the table by mutual talk, the table by mutual talk, and the labor minister talk, and the labor minister took the initiative, full stop. Naturally, efforts were made there in order in order to see how these decisions could be friends नीचे आएगा, ये on the line आएगा, could be implemented full stop. It was agreed that the employers, full stop, it was agreed that the employers should not go to court, should not go to court, and the working journalists should not also take certain other militant offensive actions, full stop. A gentleman's agreement was arrived at, full stop. Then what happened, full stop. On the one hand, comma, they were talking about this thing, comma, on the other hand, एक साथ इस तरीके से बनाएंगे और अलग अलग on the other hand इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, comma, they were preparing for litigation, full stop. On the very day on which this agreement was arrived at, and a decision was taken, to appoint a body where all the interested parties could discuss and settle matters. A petition was filed on behalf of the employers in the court, full stop. Therefore, I think that much of the argument that has been advanced is something which is mischievously wrong इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं और wrong इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, and we ought to take note of it एक साथ बनाएंगे, full stop, paragraph change. Sir, comma, according to the Supreme Court, इस तरीके से बनाएंगे, Supreme Court short में लिखेंगे, comma, the wage board इसको भी short में लिखेंगे, should not have fixed the wages, should not have इसके साथ ही बना दीजिए, have fixed the wages, full stop. इट सीम्स इकट्ठा लिखेंगे, इट सीम्स दैट द proprietors have gone all their promises they made full stop. They want even the fixation of the minimum wage to be left to the states, full stop. They want the scales to be determined. They want the scales to be determined determined at state level by tribunal by tribunals, full stop, close. So friends, ये था हमारा शॉर्ट हैंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 25 फ्रॉम द मैगजीन स्पीडोग्राफी बाय डॉक्टर जी.डी. बिस्ट. आई होप कि आपको ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन समझ आई होगी. अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी डाउट है तो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के जरूर बताएं. पीडीएफ के लिए मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल फॉलो करें @JK Shorthand Planet. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.